Welcome back to Polar Quiz.
Welcome to the Guess the Animal Sound quiz. In this video, you will hear 60 different animal sounds. Your challenge is to listen carefully and guess the correct animal before time runs out. Some sounds are easy, but others might be tricky. Can you guess them all? Stay until the end and see how many you can get right. Don't forget to comment below with your score and let us know which sound was the hardest. Let's begin. Guess the animal sound. Listen carefully. Yes, it's a chicken. Chickens are social animals that live in groups called flocks. They communicate through various sounds and have a natural pecking order to establish dominance. Chickens can recognize over 100 different faces, including humans. They also have a complex social structure and even dream while sleeping. Can you identify this animal by its sound? Great! That's an antelope. They are social animals, often living in herds for protection. Their long legs and strong muscles allow them to run at high speeds, making them one of the fastest land animals. Antelopes are incredible jumpers, with some species able to leap over 3 meters, 10 feet, in the air to escape predators. Listen to this sound. What animal is making it? Correct. It's a woodpecker. These birds play an important role in ecosystems by controlling insect populations and creating nest holes that other animals use. Woodpeckers have a long, sticky tongue that can extend up to 4 inches, 10 centimeters, to catch insects hiding inside trees. Which animal makes this noise? Take a guess. Awesome! That's a monkey. They live in troops and communicate using facial expressions, sounds, and gestures. Some species, like capuchins, even use tools to get food, showing their intelligence. Some monkeys can recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness that only a few animals possess. What animal do you think is making this sound? Well done! It's an eagle. An eagle's vision is 8 times sharper than a human's, allowing it to spot prey from more than 3 kilometers, 2 miles away. Pay attention. What animal does this sound belong to? Yes! That roar belongs to a lion. Unlike most big cats, lions live in groups called prides. Surprisingly, lionesses do most of the hunting while males protect the territory. It's time to guess. Which animal makes this sound? Nice! It's a swan. Swans mate for life. If their partner dies, some swans may never find another mate again. Close your eyes and listen. What animal do you hear? That's right. It's a tiger. No 2 tigers have the same stripe pattern, just like human fingerprints. Even their skin is striped, not just their fur. Can you recognize this sound? Name the animal. Good job. It's a horse. Horses can sleep both standing up and lying down, thanks to a special locking system in their legs. This sound belongs to which animal? Try to guess. Yes, that's a raccoon. Raccoons have incredibly sensitive front paws that act like fingers, allowing them to feel objects in complete darkness. Which creature is making this sound? Correct. It's a bat. Bats are the only mammals that can truly fly, and some can detect food using echolocation from over 30 feet, 9 meters away. Listen closely. What animal do you think it is? Great. That's a panda. Despite being classified as carnivores, pandas eat 99% bamboo and spend up to 14 hours a day eating. Do you know which animal makes this sound? Yes, those are bison. Bisons are the largest land mammals in North America, weighing up to 2,000 pounds, 900 kilograms. Listen carefully. What do you think? Well guessed. That's a cricket. Male crickets sing by rubbing their wings together, and the speed of their chirps can estimate the temperature. A mystery sound. Can you guess the animal? Nice work. It's a panther. The term panther refers to melanistic black leopards or jaguars, not a separate species. Your challenge. Guess the animal from this sound. Correct. That's a crocodile. Crocodiles can hold their breath for up to 2 hours underwater by slowing their heart rate. What animal does this unique sound belong to? Yes, that's a cow. Cows have 4 stomachs, which help them digest tough plant materials efficiently. Listen and tell me, which animal is this? Well done. It's a sheep. Sheep have excellent vision and strong herding instincts. Their wool is widely used in textiles, making them one of the most important livestock animals. Sheep can recognize human faces and even remember them for years. Here's an interesting sound. Can you name the animal? Awesome. That's a pig. Pigs are highly intelligent and can solve puzzles as well as a 3-year-old child. Test your ears. What animal makes this sound? You got it. It's a cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, reaching speeds of 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour, in just seconds. Guess the animal from its sound. Ready? Yes, that's a mosquito. Mosquitoes are small flying insects that belong to the order Diptera. They have a piercing sucking mouthpart that allows them to feed on blood. Only female mosquitoes bite, as they need protein from blood to produce eggs. Despite their tiny size, mosquitoes are considered the deadliest animals on Earth, as they transmit diseases like malaria and dengue. Time for another challenge. What animal do you hear? Correct. That's a sparrow. Sparrows are small, social birds found worldwide. They have strong conical beaks adapted for eating seeds. Unlike many other birds, sparrows have adapted well to urban environments and often live close to humans. Interestingly, they take dust baths instead of water baths to remove parasites from their feathers. This sound is coming from which animal? Nice! It's a flamingo. Flamingos are large wading birds known for their vibrant pink feathers, which come from carotenoid pigments found in their diet of algae and shrimp. They have long, thin legs adapted for standing in shallow water, and they often rest on one leg to conserve body heat. Which animal makes this unique noise? Good guess. It's a rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses are massive herbivores with thick, armor-like skin. Despite their tough appearance, their skin is surprisingly sensitive to sunburn, so they often roll in mud to protect themselves. Their horns are made of keratin, the same protein found in human hair and nails. Can you match the sound to the right animal? Yes, that's a bear. Bears are large omnivorous mammals that can be found in forests, mountains, and even Arctic regions. Some species, like the grizzly bear, can detect food from miles away, thanks to their incredible sense of smell, which is 2,100 times better than humans. Let's play. What animal do you hear? Well done. It's a dolphin. Dolphins are marine mammals, meaning they must surface to breathe using their blowholes. They are one of the most intelligent animals, capable of using tools, recognizing themselves in mirrors, and even calling each other by unique whistles, like names. Listen and guess. Who's making this sound? Correct. That's a donkey. Donkeys are sturdy domesticated animals known for their incredible memory. They can remember places and other donkeys they met over 25 years ago. Unlike horses, they are more cautious and independent thinkers. It sounds familiar. What animal is it? Great job. It's a rooster. Roosters have a built-in ear protection system that prevents them from going deaf when they crow. When they open their beaks to crow, Tiny muscles temporarily close their ear canals. Think fast. What animal do you hear? Yes, that's a seagull. Seagulls are highly adaptable birds that can drink both freshwater and salt water. Their bodies have special glands near their eyes to remove excess salt, allowing them to survive in marine environments. Your next challenge: name the animal from this sound. Well guessed. It's a coyote. Coyotes are highly intelligent and adaptable canines. They communicate using a complex range of howls, yips, and barks, and their ability to change hunting strategies allows them to survive in urban areas. This noise belongs to which animal? Correct. That's a frog. Frogs undergo metamorphosis, starting as tadpoles with gills before developing lungs for life on land. Some frogs, like the wood frog, can freeze solid in winter and revive when temperatures rise. An animal is calling. Can you guess who it is? Nice. That's an owl. Owls have asymmetrical ears, meaning one ear is higher than the other. This unique feature helps them pinpoint the exact location of sounds in the dark with extreme accuracy. Train your ears. What animal do you hear? Good one. It's a robin. Robins are one of the first birds to sing at dawn. Their songs are a way of marking territory and attracting mates. Guess the mystery animal from its sound. Yes, that's a dog. Dogs have a special organ called the Jacobson's organ, which allows them to smell emotions in other animals and even detect human illnesses. Be quick. What animal is making this sound? Well done. It's a snake. Snakes can sense heat using pit organs near their eyes, allowing them to detect warm-blooded prey even in total darkness. What kind of animal makes this noise? Correct. That's a peacock. Peacocks use their shimmering tail feathers to attract mates. But did you know they can also produce a loud, eerie scream that sounds almost human? Listen again. What animal do you think it is? Yes, that's a bee. Bees communicate through a waggle dance, a unique movement pattern that tells other bees where to find the best flowers. This sound is from which animal? Guess now. Awesome. It's a hippopotamus. Hippos secrete a natural sunscreen called blood sweat, which protects their skin from sunburn and infections. Can you recognize this mysterious animal sound? Well guessed. That's a grasshopper. Grasshoppers can hear through their stomachs. Their ears are located on their abdomens. This animal is making a sound. Can you name it? Correct. That's a gorilla. Gorillas laugh when they're tickled and even show emotions like sadness and joy, similar to humans. Here comes another sound. Which animal is it? Nice. That's a squirrel. Squirrels plant thousands of trees every year by forgetting where they buried their acorns. What do you hear? Try to name the animal. Yes, that's a hyena. Hyenas have one of the most powerful bites of any mammal, capable of crushing bones with ease. Sounds familiar? Which animal do you think it is? Well done. It's a parrot. Parrots can mimic human speech, but they don't just repeat words. They understand context and even make jokes. Let's see if you can guess this animal's sound. Correct. That's a koala. Koalas have a specialized diet of eucalyptus leaves, which are toxic to most other animals. To digest them, koalas rely on a unique gut bacteria that breaks down the toxins. Listen closely. Which animal's voice is this? Great job. That's a camel. Contrary to popular belief, a camel's hump does not store water. It stores fat, which provides energy during long desert journeys. Camels can survive for weeks without drinking water and can rehydrate by drinking up to 40 gallons, 150 liters in one sitting. A wild sound. Can you guess the animal? Correct. That's a wolf. Wolves have an extraordinary sense of teamwork and communicate through howls, body language, and facial expressions. A single wolf pack can travel up to 30 miles, 48 kilometers, per day while hunting. Another challenge. What animal do you hear? Yes, that's a rat. Rats have an incredible sense of smell and are often trained to detect landmines and diseases. Their teeth grow continuously throughout their lives, so they must constantly gnaw to wear them down. Name the animal that makes this sound. Nice work. It's a pigeon. Pigeons have been used as messenger birds for thousands of years due to their ability to find their way home from hundreds of miles away. They are one of the few birds that can recognize themselves in a mirror. Guess this next sound. Which animal makes it? Yes, that's a turkey. Turkeys can see in color and have a wider field of vision than humans, but they cannot see well at night. Male turkeys, called toms, produce the famous gobbling sound to attract mates. What animal do you think is behind this sound? Great! That's an elephant. Elephants have the largest brain of any land animal and show remarkable intelligence, including self-awareness and empathy. They can even recognize themselves in mirrors. Pay attention. Which animal sound is this? Well done. It's a penguin. Penguins are flightless birds, but they are excellent swimmers, using their wings as flippers. Some species can hold their breath for over 20 minutes while diving for fish. Does this sound familiar? Name the animal. Correct. That's a gecko. Geckos have sticky toe pads that allow them to climb walls and even walk upside down on ceilings. Some species can detach their tails as a defense mechanism and later regrow them. Let's see if you can identify this sound. Yes, that's a goat. Goats have rectangular pupils, giving them a 320-degree field of vision. They are known for their incredible climbing abilities, even scaling vertical cliffs. Try to recognize this animal's call. Nice! It's a whale. Whales are the largest animals on Earth, with the blue whale reaching up to 100 feet, 30 meters long. They breathe through blowholes, exhaling with a powerful spout. Here's another sound. What animal is it? Well guessed. That's a duck. Ducks have waterproof feathers, thanks to a special oil they produce. Their webbed feet make them excellent swimmers, even in strong currents. Use your ears. What animal do you think this is? Correct. That's a toucan. Toucans have large, lightweight beaks that help them regulate body temperature. They use their beaks to grab fruit and toss it into the air before catching it in their mouths. Use your ears. What animal do you think this is? Yes, that's a sea lion. Sea lions can hold their breath for up to 10 minutes underwater and can even sleep while floating by keeping half of their brain awake. What animal do you hear in this sound clip? Well done. It's a cat. Cats have a unique collarbone clavicle that allows them to squeeze through spaces as small as their head. They also have a special reflective layer in their eyes that helps them see in low light. Sounds tricky. Can you name the animal? Great! That's a crow. Crows are among the most intelligent birds, capable of using tools, solving puzzles, and even recognizing human faces. They have funeral-like behaviors, gathering around their dead companions. One last challenge. What animal makes this sound? Yes, that's a hawk. Hawks have binocular vision, allowing them to see prey from great distances. Some species can dive at speeds over 150 miles per hour, 240 kilometers per hour, while hunting.
Thank you for participating. Subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the next quiz videos. Also share this video with your friends so they can join the fun and test their knowledge too. Goodbye.